Okay, today we're going to fill flats, get ready for seeding. Exciting. Here's my soil. I mix it myself. I use 4 parts compost, 2 parts peat, and 1 part perlite. What I do, I put it in this big tray. I don't make a mess in my little trays. Water them in. A lot of times you gotta top them off a little. Sorry about the furnace. It's my basement after all. Someday I'll have a greenhouse I can do this in, but it's not finished yet. It's a lean-to, technically. For my seeds, I don't use tap water. But what do I use? Let's go see. There we go, I did 4 flats. Tomorrow I am sowing my peppers and my eggplants. Tomorrow will be the 28th of February. And in 2 weeks I'll be doing tomatoes and everything else. Now for grow lights, I only use simple shop lights, T8 bulbs from a big box store. Nothing fancy, don't need them. And then they're all hooked up into a cheap timer set for 15 hours for tomatoes, peppers, and herbs. That's all you really need for lighting. That's how I do it. I know it looks kind of like a mess when they're all up like this, but when starting these seeds, you really need bottom heat. With all the different flats I have, though, I can't afford to buy heating mats for each month, so a while back my lovely wife got me a sweet deal on the electric blanket. And that's what I use in this just simple dial there. There is a catch though. Every 8 to 10 hours it shuts off for safety reasons. So for the next month and a half or whatever I need heat, I'm running down here and turning it on and off again so it doesn't shut off without me knowing. That's okay, it's worth it. Seating heat mats being almost $30 a piece now. This with coupons was like $11. And it covers 2 of my tables. I have another one down here I'm not too sure about yet. Doesn't seem to be getting as hot as the other one.